Hey everyone, welcome to the Ordia channel. Today I am draw A for apple. Now let's draw. A for apple.
Sing with me. Now I know my ABCs. Next
Apple.
time won't you sing with me?
And leaf. Apple spelling A double P L E. Apple. A for apple. A double P L E. Apple. Now color name: light green color, white color, dark green color, brown color, purple color, orange color, peach pink color, sky blue color, pink color, sea green color, blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, sky blue color, purple color, pink color, light green color, leaf, dark green color, brown color, red color, apple,
sing with me. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
sea green color, A. Pink color. B. Orange color. B. Pink color. L. Yellow color. E. A for apple. A double P L E, apple. A for apple. I hope like this video. So like, share and subscribe.